Hello everyone, how are you? I hope everyone is good on your home. So the today recipe is a palm parmentier. So I will show you the ingredients which are required of making the palm parmentier. So let's start. You can see I already cut the potato in a cube shape. Already cut the potato in a cube shape. And the rest ingredients we use butter and do the seasoning, salt, white pepper powder, and the garnish for fresh parsley. So these are the ingredients which are required of making the pomme de parmentier. So guys, the pomme de parmentier in first term you can say the pomme de terre is a potato and the parmentier is the name of the farmer in France. So where the this of name is coming in France. So that is a very easy preparation. With the helping of you can make potato and butter and do the seasoning salt and pepper and the garnish with the fresh parsley. So let's start. I will show you the further process. So now switch on the gas first. Now we will put the wok, then add water. So guys, first boil the water. At least when the water is getting a first cover, so then we will put the potato and we will boil the palm oil. So guys, whenever you put the potato, so when you peel, you cut the potato, make sure you will put the potato in a cold water. I already put the potato in a cold water because sometimes our potatoes are getting a black color. That's why we will put the potato into cold water. So always when you cut and peel the potato, so we put into the cold water. So that remain the color of potato. You know very well the inside of the potato in a starch. So that's why we will put the potato into the cold water. So already put the potato in the cold water. So first heat the water. So now guys, you can see now the water is getting a first bubble. So now the timing is adding for potato. So I remove the 6 water into the bottle. Now we will put the potato cube in a water, hot water. So we will pal while cook potato guys. At least we will cook the potato at least 80 or 85%, and after the rest we will cook into the oil with saute. So you can see we will cook the potato at least 85%. Above 85 you can have 85, and the rest 15% we will cook with the helping of oil in saute. So now the timing is removing for the potato. So now we will remove with the helping of skimmer. You can use perforated spoon and keep on the another bowl, that is a running water, so that if your potato is overcooked, so by adding in a running water, your potato temperature is a cool down. and remain the color also. So now switch off the gas. So you can see after boiling the potato, the color of the potato is a nice. So let's start. I will show you the further process. Now again switch on the gas and put the frying pan. So now I'm going to add first butter. We'll add a little bit of butter. We do not add much butter. First melt the butter. So first melt the butter in a pan. And guys, do not burn extra butter. Now the butter is getting a melt, so now the timing is adding for boiled potato, that is a pal boiled potato. And mix well. With the helping of wooden spoon, a wooden spatula, and you can also well toast well. And also do the seasoning, salt, white pepper powder, a little bit of white pepper powder, again mix well. Now the last we can add fresh parsley. Now last we can add fresh parsley and again mix well. So now guys, you can see the nice color of potato. So now the timing is switch off the gas and your potato is almost done. So now the timing is a plating. You can put all the potato in a similar manner. and the garnish with fresh parsley. We can use fresh parsley as a garnish. You can spread the parsley on the top of plate. So you can see guys the presentation of pomme de parmentier. So I hope you will enjoy or see this recipe, and guys you can also try on your home, and you can serve the pomme de parmentier with a main course as a compliment. So I hope you will enjoy for see this recipe. So thank you so much guys.